Staff here requesting approval of the resolution approving an intergovernmental agreement with the state of Illinois for improvements to the intersection of Illinois Route 120 and Fleming Road. The Illinois Department of Transportation has prepared plans to install traffic signal and turn lanes at the intersection of Illinois 120 and Fleming. For IDOT cost participation agreements, the state requires reimbursement from local agencies having jurisdiction of the local legs. The improvements consist of installing a traffic signal, adding turn lanes, and reconstruction of pavement. If you recall, at the November 17, 2010 Transportation Committee meeting, the committee authorized the county engineer to execute a letter of intent with IDOT for this project. The cost of the DOT is $23,000 and change for engineering, and approximately $158,000 for construction, for a total cost in the county of $182,000. The agreement before you today has been reviewed and approved by the McH County State's Attorney. So what we have here on the screen are the plans actually right off of IDOT's website. So you can go, and if anyone's curious, the link to it is through IDOT's main website under contract and bidding. This is Plan Sheet 35, which shows the striping plan for the project. You can see this is Illinois 120, so to your right is north. On Fleming Road, what they're proposing to do is build a left turn lane. The left turn lane is approximately 215 feet long, and then there's a taper to widen out to be able to provide that taper, providing an overall length of roughly 786 feet along Fleming Road. At the 2010 Transportation Committee meeting, the direction that the committee gave us was to authorize that letter of intent, which basically formalized the agreement with IDOT. The IDOT's project started before our Fleming Road project actually initiated. And if you look back at the meeting materials that we've had with the Fleming Road CAD, yet at the inception of the project, this was an omission area. We knew IDOT had a project, and so therefore our project with the Fleming Road started or ended here at this point. IDOT's purpose for this study is IDOT's purpose for the study. So we're not exactly sure. Was there an accident history that they were concerned with? No. Yeah. IDOT's purpose for the project is it safety? Is it operations? You know, there's been a long-standing history of IDOT has a list of warranted yet unfunded projects, and basically at some point in their history, they were, you know, this was on their to-do list, and they have now gotten around to doing it. So just as you know, we've done these types of improvements at various levels of stages with IDOT, for example, Wilmot and US 12, we did a participation where we did some signal upgrades, and a more robust type of improvement at 47 Algonquin Road. Same principle there, we're paying for our share. We don't really get a say in the matter in terms of, you know, the project. We're usually happy when IDOT is out here doing improvements within McH County. Historically, improvements IDOT has done have been few and far between. The plan's also showing the land acquisition here that they've acquired. They bought some land along Fleming Road and then land along Illinois Route 20 in order to construction improvements. The plan, the project has already gone out to bid. It's been awarded to Alliance contractors, and they're ready to start this spring. So that's
great. Thank you. Now I have a question for you. Does IDOT have a history like we do with our 5-year highway improvement program, where there are safety concerns? We identified them in that when you said we're not sure how they arrived at it. Right. I would think they would have something similar. Would you not think that somewhere there's document they've identified problem areas?
Yeah, they have what's the 5 or 6 year highway improvement program, and then actually they do an annual program where they're actually going to be spending specific dollars. So sometimes a project might be in the 5-year plan, but it's considered the out years. It's something to do, but they haven't yet identified a specific year when it's going to get done. So this has been on IDOT's current program for the current year, their federal year, or their fiscal year 12.
Okay, thank you, Jeff.